And how has COVID impacted your cleaning business? Because it's on the ground, it's in buildings, and people have been in lockdown or not been at work. So how has it impacted you?
Yeah, so a lot of us have actually capitalized on it because of the disinfecting services that we're offering now. So for the businesses who are actually open to adding that service to their company,
Wow.
they bought a fogger machine or electrostatic sprayer, and they get the disinfectant, and they go in there, put the full battle rod or full suit on, and they go
Yeah.
in there and spray up and down from top to bottom, and they're making money that you never would have been able to make before off of janitorial services. So it's actually been a help. This is one of the
Yeah.
few industries where we actually saw a benefit, but in the very beginning, it was kind of like, whoa, because a lot of customers did stop paying because, again, we're servicing commercial companies. So,
Mm.
if this restaurant shuts down and they can't open because the government told them to shut down, then it's like, well, how can they afford to pay the cleaning company? As a matter of fact, do they even need the cleaning company? So initially it was a little blow. And then after a while, when people realized, hey, wait a minute, these guys actually have the cure because they can just kill the virus with this disinfectant and this fog that they have. So
Mm.
initially it started off slow, but it ended up actually helping so far.
That's really, really cool. And again, you said about definitely increasing the income streams into your business. So also you're focused on the app and growing the app so that you've got this kind of monthly recurring income through the app too. So that's an important lesson as well. Don't focus on one income stream,
Yep.
but focus on multiple ways so that if there is a hit in one way or the other to one of the income streams, you've got others to serve and support your business financially as well. That's
Absolutely.
awesome.
I always tell people too that, multiple income streams is excellent, but because entrepreneurs, again, we have so many great ideas and we want to do a lot of different things. But I always tell people you can do everything, you just can't do everything at the same time.
Mm.
So, get one thing, lock in on it, set it, get your systems in place, hire people to do it, get softwares, pay for them, and let those things run it for you, get the systemized, then move on to the next thing, build
Mm.
that, systemize it, then move. Don't try to do every single thing all at once, just piece by piece.
That's really great advice and great distinctions there, and certainly multiple income streams that are verticals to the business. So if we look at what you've done, there's the coaching around the cleaning and setting up your cleaning business. There's the app that serves the cleaning business and those that are running businesses. So that's a big distinction to starting a cleaning business and then starting a clothing company and then going on to start some brand new invention, and that's what we see across the board, people jumping around and, as you say, never building anything solid. It's like I always say, build a tribe on one platform first. That's my passion. Of course, a tribe is social media platform agnostic. It should be everywhere. It should be YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, emails, videos, online, offline. It should be everywhere. But you've got to start somewhere first. And if you're trying to post everywhere at once, then you're never going to build something solid. And it's the same way as that entrepreneurial mindset. Build something